This was the house a 70-year-old woman, Mrs. Helen Idubizi, was allegedly murdered by her domestic staff in August 2018. Miss Anna Amos was subsequently charged for murder, but has now been discharged and acquitted by a competent court in Benin. 5 years after the defendant, Anna Amos, was let off the hook by Justice Efe Ikponmwonba at the Criminal Court 1 in Benin City, Edo State capital. Delivering the judgment, Justice Efe Ikponmwonba held that the prosecution failed to prove the one-count charge of murder against Miss Anna Amos. She explained that the police investigators failed to prove their claim of the said confession of the accused in order to match Exhibit A and F, which is the television broadcast of the event on ITV that was presented before the court, where the defendant denied the allegation on air during an interview with the ITV journalist at the earliest instance with Exhibit A. In evaluating the evidence, the judge held that the report from the Nigerian police lacks merit. Justice Ikponmwonba said she cannot rely on the claims of the police in reaching a just conclusion of the matter. Justice Efe added that from the ITV report tendered before the court on the murder incident, Miss Amos did not confess to killing her employer. She thereafter acquitted and discharged the defendant of the one-count charge filed against her. Counsel to the defendant, Leonard Osawagie, said the judgment reinforces the belief that the judiciary has come to stand the test of time in the area of justice dispensation.
It was the evidence of the reporter of the ITV whom, we struggled to obtain and brought to court that fortunately also led to this acquittal, this justice that has been dispensed. Because the judge relied so heavily on that Exhibit F, which is the CD, the record in the report of the reporter, and stated in his judgment that at the earliest opportunity the subject had to respond to what had happened, she denied it. We want to extend our thanks and gratitude to the institution of the ITV.
On her part, the accused person in the case, Anna Amos, expressed joy over the judgment, describing the judiciary as the last hope of the common man.
I was happy, I was overwhelmed. Actually, I was threatened. Harrison, the son, came to me inside my room. He was like threatening me that if I said I'm not the one that killed the mother, that he will kill me. And I said no, I cannot kill. He was like, if you talk anything again, I will stab you, and you will not see anybody out of that fear. And I said I'm the one.
When this thing happened, there's a day we gathered and everybody was crying. Looking at it, it's a lot doing, because at the end we give praise unto God.
Edo State government in 2018 arraigned 14-year-old Anna Amos before the Benin High Court on one-count charge of murder.
Judiciary, they say, is the last hope for the common man. This actually played out in a murder case of a then 14-year-old Anna Amos after 5 years in court. From Benin, I am Patience Osaugiwa.